Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. You need to begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in Magic Fluids and install free app from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it. You can mute the music right away by tapping on the bottom left corner. Now tap on those three lines at the bottom right one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper and click on this gear at the top right corner. Now you need to choose I accept in First Things First pop-up. Adjust all of those options however you want to, or select presets at the top right corner. Tap on the chosen one and hit yes in the pop-up. Then go back. Finally, you can click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom and decide where you wish to apply it. In my case, home screen only, so when I click and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!